Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx. So, I don't know who remembers this video, but back in January, I did a mystery box unboxing, and it was for an indie brand called Lurella. And mystery boxes are some of my favorite unboxings because it's a mystery, and it's fun to unbox a mystery, especially when it's makeup, because you're so excited, and who doesn't love unboxing like a mystery full of makeup? And you're hoping that it's going to be a fun mystery, like, oh, I paid this much, hopefully it's going to be like a ton of makeup. So it wasn't a good mystery, okay? I was not kind to this company, and for good reason. It was a shitty mystery box. It was expensive too. It was almost $100. I paid $96 for this box, but the value of this box was $100, almost maybe close to $120. So it was not a good value for this box. I'll list the video in case you missed it. Just quick recap. I had to go back and watch it just to be sure. I got 3 liquid lipsticks, 2 sets of lashes, 2 beauty sponges, a set of liquid, like mini liquid shadows, and a brush set. And it was a very cheap brush set. Again, the value of it was like $116. So for me, okay, I get like it's an indie brand, whatever. But like I was expecting like what I got from Colored Rain. That was an incredible mystery box. I think I paid like $40 for this mystery box, and I got like $135 worth of stuff from Colored Rain in that mystery box. So that was an incredible value. Now I complained to them because I was so pissed. And I didn't say like, oh, I am a YouTuber or whatever. I mean, I'm a small fucking channel. Like, they don't give a, like, nobody would give a shit if I complained. Well, they were very kind and they sent me a palette because that's what I was expecting when I opened a box. Like, I expected a palette in here at the least for that price. So they were kind and they let me pick out a palette and they sent it to me. And honestly, I mean, that was cool they sent it to me, but I was still pissed that, I mean, there should have been $200 worth of stuff in a box, a $100 makeup box, like a mystery box, in my opinion. For that price of Jeffree Star boxes. Like, I realize he's a bigger brand, but I mean, that's just what I'm thinking. Colored Rain is a indie brand. Their $35 boxes had $135. That's, I don't know, 3-4 times the amount of the, anyway, that's just what I was thinking. I'm thinking they were gonna ship me a huge box of shit for that price. Anyway, well, cut to today. That was, I don't know, 2 months ago this happened? So, you know, it's over and done with. So today rolls around. I haven't heard from them since. That was it. I come home today and there is a huge box on my doorstep. And I automatically panic because I'm like, that's not an Amazon box. I didn't order anything recently. And I walk up and I see the name Lurella on this box. And I'm like, oh shit. Did I like unknowingly sign up for a subscription mystery box thing back months ago and I didn't remember? And I'm racking my brain. I'm like, I would have got like an invoice or something, right? So I'm looking through my PayPal. I'm like, I don't see anything from Lurella. I text my friend Allie and I'm like, oh shit, dude. I'm like, remember that mystery unboxing? She's like, yeah. Well, I have this box and I sent her. She's like, open it. And I pull out this card and Louie made a mess of it, but thankfully I took a picture of the card. She's like, maybe it's an I'm sorry. It was. And before you guys say, it's because you're a YouTuber. No, this was sent directly to my house, not my P.O. box. So this wasn't because I was a YouTuber. It was, and I'm sorry. And this is what it said. I didn't open it. I haven't opened it yet. I just pulled out the note that they put in there. And it said, Dear Jen. And it said my first and last name. So again, this wasn't sent to beautyriotx. It was sent to my address, my personal address that is not listed anywhere. Thank you for your feedback on the mystery box you purchased. Because of your feedback, we have made some adjustments. Please accept our gift of the current mystery box. We hope you like the changes we've made. Even though they sent me this after I complained, they also sent me their current mystery box that they've also made changes to. That's really fucking cool. So I haven't opened it yet, but I'm gonna do it now. So, and listen, regardless of whether this is my taste or not, that's very cool that they sent me this. And I know they've since changed the prices of the mystery box, and I just looked up what their new mystery boxes, like the prices and stuff, and that they've changed, and they've since added palettes to them. So here we go. I mean, this is a big fucking box. I'm assuming this is the most expensive one too, which is currently $80 something instead of 96, which is still very expensive. But I mean, yeah, this is mystery box 3. This is the most expensive one. So the first thing is, again, a brush set. This is the Glitz Up Your Life brush set, I'm assuming. Comes with a, okay, this one doesn't smell chemically like the first one I got did. Yeah, the other one, the black brush set that I got before, like reeked of chemicals. This one doesn't smell. And these actually feel heavier. Like the other one literally felt really cheap and smelled very, very cheap. This one actually feels much better. My God. They sent these to me. If something doesn't look or feel right, I'm not, just because they sent it to me, I'm not going to be like, this is incredible. I'm still gonna tend to tell you my honest opinion. But these do feel much, much nicer, so. So this is very nice. These look like very nice brushes. They are much nicer than the ones from the last set that I got. But yeah, they look really nice and they actually feel much weightier, again, than the last set that I got. So I'm actually gonna save these for a giveaway because I am overrun with brushes. This is the Sweet Valentine palette, it looks like. Pressed pigments and eyeshadows. Oh, man, that's pretty. Swatch pretty nice. Now obviously swatches don't mean too much, but I will try this palette in a video along with the other one that they sent me as well. Maybe I'll save a few of the things I unboxed today and use them in a video to see how some of the stuff performs. And here is actually, I'll show you this palette. This is what they sent me and it's very pretty. This is what they sent me before. They let me pick out, they let me go on their website and pick out, why can't I finish a sentence? They let me go on their website last time and pick out whatever palette I wanted. Ooh, this is big. Another palette? Oh, damn. This is the Electric City palette. Ooh. Damn. That. Really nice. It's really pretty. All right, next we have two glosses. I don't love glosses, but let's open them and see what shades they are. We have an Ultra Gloss and an Iconic Gloss. I wonder why they're different, or if they're different. They're in slightly different packaging, so I'm kind of getting a little more into gloss. If they're both kind of nude shades, then I'll keep them. One is in Love That For You, and one is in Thirsty. Oh no, this is like total like glitter. I will pass this one on, and then the Iconic Gloss. Oh yeah, I'll keep this one. This is like a nude. Okay. I will save this, and I will put this one in a giveaway. And then, looks like there's 3 things left. We have a mirror, which looks cool. We have a liquid lipstick, which I got 3 of them last time. I still haven't tried them because I don't know why I haven't tried them, honestly. This is in the shade Faded, or Fade, which luckily isn't one of the shades they gave us last time. Oh, nice. It's pretty. Let's give a peek at what it looks like. This is a nice kind of more nude shade. They didn't give us a shade like this last time. The last time they gave us like 2 really reddish orange shades and like a real slight, a real pink shade. And then they have put on fake lashes with. That's cool. I have a similar tool like this, but it's not shaped like this, so that'll be cool to use. Okay, this was actually definitely much, I mean, 10 times better. I mean, I don't even have to lie. I mean, this was definitely 10 times better. The only thing I probably won't use, the gloss and the brushes. I mean, worlds better than the last box, hands down. So let me just check something really quick. I'm gonna turn off the camera and check something, hold on. So this was twice the value of the box. So this new box is valued at $156, which is twice the value of the box, which is what it definitely should have been to begin with. This stuff is worth $156, which is almost twice the value of the box. Okay, so this is definitely better. Honestly, even if some of this stuff wasn't great, good for them. I mean, first off, that was amazing that they sent it to me to begin with. They definitely didn't have to. And so that was awesome. So thank you guys so much. That was so cool of you to do. That's so cool that you listen to your customers. I mean, honestly. Morphe, take a fucking page out of Lurella's book. Just saying. Yeah, that was really cool. I am gonna try some of these products finally because it's only fair, you know? You guys listen to us, so I should definitely do the same and, you know, try some of your products out. That was it. Thank you so much for watching. Lurella, thank you again for listening to my not so nice comments about you guys and taking it to heart, because that is what companies should be doing. Very cool. And I will switch out my mirror because I have a shitty little one in front of me. This is like one of those fold out ones, so that's kind of cool. If you guys have tried any of their mystery boxes, let me know what you think. Have you tried any of their products for yourself? Let me know. And stay tuned, I'll incorporate some of this stuff into my upcoming Get Ready With Me videos. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.